In the enigmatic world of dinosaurs, a fascinating detail emerges from the depths of their digestive mysteries. The peculiar use of gastroliths. Imagine these colossal creatures intentionally ingesting smooth, polished stones, not as mere happenstance, but as a crucial component in their dietary strategy. Picture this: gigantic herbivorous dinosaurs, lacking the luxury of mastication, strategically swallowing these stones. What unfolds is a cryptic process within their stomachs. These gastroliths, akin to nature's own grinding stones, become agents of mechanical breakdown. They grind against plant material, unraveling the enigma of how these ancient giants managed to digest their colossal herbivorous feasts. This revelation prompts an investigation into the evolutionary brilliance of these creatures. How did they discern the utility of gastroliths? What ecological pressures led to the development of this ingenious digestive strategy? The answers lie buried in the layers of time, waiting to be unearthed by the curious minds delving into the mysteries of prehistoric life.